Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a tour of downtown Kingston. We are going to be driving on Harbour Street, one of the most popular streets in downtown Kingston, and we're going to give you a tour of that street. But before we get to Harbour Street, we're just going to show you the new Yardman gas station that recently opened. And Yardman is expanding across Jamaica. They have opened up a location in Negril and one in Savlamar. And this is the one that they have in Kingston. Now I must say the gas stations in Jamaica are expanding. Quite a few gas stations are going up all over the island. Alright, very nicely done. So we're going to head over to Harbour Street now. So this road that we're looking at now is Marcus Garvey Drive. And we're now going on to Harbour Street when we pass this stoplight. Okay, so this is now Harbour Street. And as we drive on Harbour Street, you're going to see a lot of old buildings. But the government has a plan to renovate these buildings. And quite a few of the buildings, the companies that own them are also getting ready to renovate them. That's the Digicel head office in the background. That building is actually the UDC building. No, that's Ocean Towers. And this is Harbour Street that we're on. You can see a lot of very old buildings. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.